live my day, I live my day.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I will be showing you another interlock technique. So before you go any further, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now stay tuned. Okay guys, once again I must apologize for the poor quality of the video, and as I said before, I will be demonstrating another technique of interlocking. So now I am combing out the lock that I'll be reattaching the other part of the lock to. I'm also combing out the next part of the lock so that we can interlock much easier. So combing it out to do the reattachment of the lock.
Okay, here we are attaching the lock together. So we're using the crochet needle technique.
Okay, so here I'm doing the interlock. Now I'm going to be showing you the needle. It's a very fine point needle, very fine. Here I'm trying to make sure that I tighten the interlock, so I am making sure that it is not.
This lock is had pulled out, and we are going to reattaching the lock together.
As you can see, I'm pulling on the lock and the lock is binded together. Okay guys, now that we are finished doing our interlock, I'm going to be binding them together. So we'll be using the Eco Gel today. See, Eco Gel, and I'll be taking some of it and palm rolling that area where the joining has been. So palm rolling it and see, okay, pulling it. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the tips on how to reattach lock, and hope you have already subscribed. If you have not subscribed, you can subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. So we have a lot more interesting videos coming out, and thanks for making the keys all natural.